Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. With hurricane season upon us, it's crucial to be prepared for any storm that may come our way. Whether you're new to prepping or a seasoned pro, it's essential to be ready for hurricanes, especially if you live in a coastal area. Today, we'll cover everything from understanding hurricanes to creating a comprehensive preparedness plan. Let's get started. So what exactly is a hurricane? A hurricane is a powerful tropical storm with sustained winds of at least 74 miles per hour. These storms can cause significant damage due to high winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges. Hurricanes are classified into 5 categories. Category 1 being the least severe to Category 5 being the most severe, with winds exceeding 157 miles per hour. Knowing the category of an approaching hurricane helps you understand the potential impact and prepare accordingly. Hurricane season typically runs from June 1st to November 30th, with peak occurring between August and October. It's essential to be prepared during this period, keeping your eye on weather reports and having your preparedness plan in place. Understanding your area's risk is vital. Coastal areas are most at risk, but hurricanes can affect inland areas through heavy rain and flooding. Review historical data on past hurricanes in your area to understand potential impacts. This can help you better prepare for future storms. For example, Hurricane Harvey in 2017 caused unprecedented flooding in Texas, affecting countless communities. Familiarize yourself with local emergency management resources such as evacuation routes and shelters. These can help save precious time during an emergency. Now, let's talk about preparing your home to withstand a hurricane. Ensure your home can withstand high winds. Consider installing storm shutters or boarding up windows with plywood. Reinforce garage doors and secure your roof with hurricane straps or clips. These measures can significantly reduce the risk for structural damage. Remove or secure items outside your home that could become projectiles in high winds, such as patio furniture and tools. Trim trees and shrubs to minimize the risk of falling branches damaging your property. Seal windows and doors with weather stripping to prevent water from entering your home during a hurricane. Check for any gaps or cracks and seal them properly to ensure your home remains dry. An emergency kit is a must-have for hurricane preparedness. Your emergency kit should include water, 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, first aid kit, and necessary medication. Ensure you have enough supplies to last at least 72 hours. Keep copies of important documents in a waterproof container, including identification, insurance papers, and medical records. This ensures that you have access to essential information even if your home is damaged. Include tools such as a multi-tool, duct tape, a manual can opener, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio. These items can help you manage basic tasks and stay informed during and after the storm. One of the most challenging aspects of a hurricane is dealing with power outages, which can last for days or even weeks. Having reliable power sources and cooling solutions is crucial, especially in the heat of hurricane season. Generators are a lifesaver during power outages. A gas-powered generator is a popular choice due to their power and availability. Remember that it requires a fuel supply and should be operated in a well-ventilated area to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. For a quieter and more environmentally friendly option, consider a solar generator. Though less powerful, they can be recharged using sunlight, making them a sustainable option. Aside from generators, having a battery backup system is essential for keeping smaller devices charged. Stock up on rechargeable batteries and consider investing in a small solar charger for phones, radios, and other essential gadgets. In the hot and humid climate of hurricane-prone areas, staying cool is important for comfort and health. Portable air conditioning units, especially those that can run on generator power, can provide much-needed relief. If AC units are not feasible, battery-powered fans and cooling towels can help mitigate the heat. Ensuring proper ventilation during a power outage is crucial. Keep windows and doors open where safe to promote airflow and use battery-powered fans to circulate air. Having a family communication plan is essential during a hurricane. Decide on a safe meeting point for your family if you get separated during a hurricane. Make sure everyone knows where to go and how to get there. Create a list of emergency contacts, including family members, friends, and local emergency services. Ensure everyone in your family has a copy of this list. Plan how you will communicate during an emergency. Consider using text messages, social media, or a third-party contact to relay information. Make sure everyone knows the plan and can execute it. Sometimes the safest option is to evacuate. Understand the evacuation orders and advisories by local authorities. Don't wait until the last minute to leave. Evacuate early if recommended. Familiarize yourself with multiple evacuation routes in case one is blocked. Plan your route ahead of time and ensure all family members know the plan. Identify nearby emergency shelters and make a plan for how to get there if needed. Ensure your entire family knows the location of these shelters. Don't forget about your pets when preparing for a hurricane. Ensure you have enough food, water, and medication for your pets. Include a pet carrier, leash, and collar with ID tags. Research pet-friendly shelters and hotels in advance. Have a plan for where your pet will stay if you need to evacuate. After the hurricane, safety remains a priority. Only return home when authorities say it's safe. Watch out for downed power lines, gas leaks, and structural damage. Your safety always comes first. Use protective gear such as gloves and masks during cleanup. Be cautious of hazards like broken glass and contaminated water. Prevent mold growth by cleaning and disinfecting your home. Be aware of potential health risks such as waterborne diseases and take necessary precautions. To recap, being prepared for a hurricane involves knowing the risk, preparing your home, creating an emergency kit, and having a solid communication and evacuation plan. Don't forget to include your pets and stay safe during the aftermath. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Texan Prepper for more tips on emergency preparedness. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out links in the description for any recommended products and additional resources. Thank you so much for watching Texan Prepper. Stay safe and keep prepping.